We've done a pizza bowl, pizza toast, pizza egg rolls, pizza chips, and even a slow cooker pizza. What we haven't done, a pizza sauce. Today, cottage cheese comes back into play with this super easy recipe that's just another quick way to level up your protein game. So let's jump right into it. Question of the day, and for those of you who like cottage cheese, what's your favorite recipe to use cottage cheese with? Drop it in the comments. First thing you'll need, a food processor or blender. Add into it your cottage cheese and half a cup of pizza sauce. Now here's where you have a choice. If you want a less saucy tasting pizza but more protein, you can use 1 cup of cottage cheese. You still want a sauce-like texture and taste, then simply do a 1-to-1 ratio, which would be half a cup of cottage cheese for every half a cup of pizza sauce. You can really play with this here. It's mostly just another way to add some additional protein to your pizza. Some people like ricotta. Now, here's a way to introduce a little cottage cheese. It also pairs extremely well with our cottage cheese flatbread, if you haven't checked that out. I'll drop a link to that below and a link to the website, which is always up here, if you want to scale this recipe, find more tips, the nutritional breakdown, and so on. Now, after you've got your sauce, it's time to make a pizza. Choose a crust or make your own flatbread. Evenly layer on your cottage cheese sauce, followed by pizza cheese and optional pepperonis or anything else you want. This leads me to my next question. What's your #1 favorite pizza topping? Let me know. Throw your pizza in the oven, and in the end, it should look like this. Couple tips to this one. #1, full, reduced, or fat-free cottage cheese all work great here. Whatever you're using has a ton of liquid in it, give it a quick drain. I'll put the breakdown for all 3 on the website. #2, think outside the box with your pizza crust to work with your macros. Cauliflower, a Greek yogurt dough like we've done, use pitas, English muffins, store-bought flatbreads, and so on. #3, I'd make this the day you plan to use it, unless you feel like mixing it again. #4, if you want to make your own pizza sauce, pause the video and use this recipe. For this week's Testing or Guesstimating, we're going with a slice of the pizza. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win a gift card to our store, where you can purchase a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. 1 guess per person. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one or to simply help the algorithm. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.